everything comes down to, does it taste good? Does it offer a great experience? You can do, all the marketing you want in the world, but if your product doesn't taste good, doesn't provide for a enjoyable experience when it's eaten, then you're not going to get anywhere. It doesn't matter how much advertising you do. Eventually it's going to not work out. And so that's really what keeps people. Once people, there's a reason why our tagline is once you pop one in your mouth, OMG comes popping out, because that's literally what happens when people eat our pretzels. And that's how we came up with our name, because we watched and we listened and we saw that happen over and over and over again, and the light bulb went off and OMG Pretzels became a brand.